What's up guys, this is DF Test Channel. Today Sony Xperia XZ2 unboxing and tour. Box looking nice. Box backside phone specs here. IP68 waterproof 64GB. Let look guys. Okay, what the inside the box? Let's open. Okay. Wow, box front side phone is here. Wow. Phone handling. And looking so nice. Okay guys. Let's more what the inside, phone board here and more one mini box here. And look deep inside. Let's look guys, it's USB-C type cable. And more AC adapter. It's Indian version pin. Support fast charging. 5 volt. More USB-C type to 3.0 pin jack. It's using normal headphone. Looking good. It's headphone. Not new type, it's old. I hate this headset. Over the box here good. Big budget phone. Everything cool, phone handling feel very nice. Deep green color phone. Back looking HTC U11 type. So classy looking, very nice guys. The Xperia XZ2 comes with a 5.70-inch touchscreen display. With a resolution of 1080 pixels by 2160 pixels. Look phone backside. See guys, phone bottom side. Xperia logo here. Center side fingerprint here. More 19MP camera here. And flash phone right side volume plus and power key, also main camera shore key here. Phone top side SIM card tray. And second mic here. Phone bottom side. USB-C type charging port here and main mic here. This phone. Water and dust proof. So. It's big hands off this phone. Look guys, dust on display, nice feel. Phone booting new type black with white. Nice. The Sony Xperia XZ2 is powered by octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor and it comes with 4GB of RAM. Powered by a 3180 mAh non-removable battery. Xperia XZ2 runs Android 8.0. The rear camera still has the same resolution as the predecessor Xperia XZ1, but it has a wider aperture, which should enable it to take better pictures in low-light situations. New options to record videos in HDR and to record short slow-motion videos at 960 frames per second in full HD have been added. It is no longer necessary to switch to a separate app for 4K videos, but a 60 FPS recording is still impossible. Let's look quick gaming review. It's any lag for gaming? Let's find out. Asphalt 8 gaming review, let's watch guys. Let's start the Sony Xperia XZ2 durability test.
We go hard till the sun come up. Ganja smoking, we got rum in me cup. Bad girls wind up on the dance floor.